Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a smart grocery list using the Reminders app on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Reminders app on your iPhone. Tap the list icon at the top next to the search button to create a new list. For the list name, enter groceries. Under list type, select groceries. You can also choose a different color and icon for your list, but I'll leave the default options. Once everything is set, tap the check mark in the top right corner to create your grocery list. Now, to add items, tap the New Reminder option at the bottom. Start typing the items you need. For example, we can add eggs, then press the Enter key on the keyboard to add another item. You can continue adding things like milk, cheese, beer, and other groceries. The Reminders app will automatically recognize the items and organize them into different categories. Once you've finished adding everything, tap the blue check mark in the top right corner. Your grocery list will now be automatically grouped into categories such as dairy, eggs, cheese, wine, beer, and spirits, making it much easier to navigate while shopping. As you purchase an item, simply tap the circle next to it to mark it as completed. The item will then disappear from your active grocery list. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.